Hi, this is Pat Hanahoe-Dosch, your professor again. I'm here to talk to you about your portfolio instructions. So at the end of this course, you're going to turn in a portfolio of all your work. This means you're going to put in everything that you have done, written for this class, into this portfolio, which will be turned into the Dropbox. Okay. So in this portfolio, you're going to include all of your writing assignments, including the 4th poem that did not get submitted to a workshop. So you're writing 4 poems, okay, 3 of which are going to be workshop, and the 4th one is just going to be put into the portfolio. It also will include your short story and the creative nonfiction piece. You also must include all of your revisions. Remember that you must revise at least 2 poems and the short story. However, you may revise as many of your assignments as you wish. And you may revise them as many times as you wish, too. I am happy to, by the way, comment on revisions as well. Put all versions of a specific work together into one document, but label each version and indicate which is the final version. Make sure you include all versions with my comments on them. So, because you're submitting this portfolio electronically to the Dropbox, it's not as easy to put them all together into a file. I'm not sure that you can actually upload an actual file folder, but you can upload actual documents. So, within your Dropbox, I'm going to consider that Dropbox the entire portfolio. So for example, poem number 1 is going to be one document, but within it you will put your draft, and you label it draft, and then you put 2nd revision, 3rd revision, whatever. Make sure that the version with my comments on it from the workshop is in there as well. You don't have to necessarily include all of your classmates' comments, the versions with your classmates' comments, but you do have to include the version with me. So you should be able to download that and then upload that, or rather cut and paste that with the comments in it into that Word document. So hopefully you understand each assignment is going to be one document with all of the drafts and revisions pasted into that one document, but also clearly labeled as to what they are. That's very important. You must label them correctly, okay? Then, make sure each assignment and its previous versions are separate from the other assignments in separate documents. Okay, so there should be one document for the Poetry 1 assignment, one for Poetry 2, etc. And put them all together into the Dropbox as your portfolio. You can also include extra things. Okay, you might have another short story that you want to put in there, or another creative nonfiction piece, and you can do that too. Whatever you want to put in there on top of the minimum requirements is fine. This portfolio is the most significant portion of your grade. I expect it to look neat and to be put together with care. Okay. Put all the documents of the portfolio into the Dropbox by the due date, which is Friday, May 1st, 2020. Keep in mind that's a Friday, not a Sunday. It's a Friday, May 1st, 2020. And it's very important. Remember, it's a serious penalty for your grade if you turn it in late. All right? Actually, I'm not sure that I even accept it late. I have to go back and look at what I said in the syllabus. But turn it on time. Okay? If there are any questions or comments, make sure that you ask. And I will talk to you later. Bye.